Hello kids. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson number 10. Our beautiful universe. Our beautiful universe. In this lesson we shall study our universe, our neighbors in space, stars, planets and moon, our solar system, the earth, its movements and formation of day and night and seasons. These all points we are going to learn in this lesson. First, we will see our universe. The night sky, especially on a cloudless dark night, is a beautiful sight, isn't it? We can see thousands of bright objects, some big and bright, some small and twinkling, just as the people living close to our house are our neighbors. The planets in our solar system, their satellites, stars and other heavenly bodies are our neighbors in a space, some closer than others, but even the one which is appear to be close by are far away. The night sky. The night sky, how it looks. Especially on cloudless dark night is a beautiful sight. Yes or no, kids? Cloudless dark night, it's a beautiful sight when we can see thousands of bright objects. Some one are big, bright, and some one are small, twinkling. Just as the people living close to our house, our neighbors, the planets in our solar system and their satellites, stars, other heavenly bodies, are neighbors in space. Some are closer, some are far, and other are. But even the ones which are appear to be close by are far away. Our neighborhood in space. Day sky. Day sky, how it's look, and night sky. Stars. There are countless stars in the universe. They are gigantic balls of hot gases. Though huge, they appear very small as they are very far from us. Stars give out a lot of heat and light. The sun is the star closest to the earth and therefore appear brighter and bigger than the others. There are countless stars in the universe. They are gigantic balls of hot gases. Those who huge, they appear very small as they are very far from us. The stars appears very small because they are very far from us. Stars give out a lot of heat and light. The sun is the star. It is closest to the earth. Therefore, it appears brighter and bigger than the other star. Sun is the star. It appears brighter and bigger than the other star because it is a very closest to the earth than other stars. Planets and moons. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around a star. Unlike stars, they do not have a light of their own, but reflect the light of the sun. Most of the planets in our solar system have satellites and moons that revolve around them. The Earth has only one moon which reflects the light of the sun. During the day, we can see the sun in the sky. This is because of the bright sunlight hides everything else. It is only at night that we are able to see the stars, moon, and the other heavenly bodies. The sun and the 8 planets and their satellites make up the solar system. The planets revolve around the sun in fixed path called the orbits. Planets and moons. Planets are heavenly bodies. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around stars. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around a stars. Unlike stars, they do not have light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. Stars do not have light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. Most planets are in our solar system have satellites or moons, and that revolve around them. The Earth has only one moon which reflects the light of the sun. During the daytime, we can see the sun in the sky. During the daytime, we can see only sun in the sky. This is because of it's a bright sunlight hide everything else. Sun's bright sunlight hides everything. It is only at night time that we are able to see the stars, moon, and other heavenly bodies. We cannot see these other heavenly bodies, moon, stars at daytime because the sun, bright sunlight hides everything else. So we can see the sun in daytime. The sun and 8 planets and their satellite make up the solar system. The sun and their planets and their satellites make up the solar system. The planet revolves around the sun in a fixed path is called the orbits. The planet revolve around the sun in fixed path. These paths are called orbits. Understood, no kids? Now see our solar system. Our solar system. Our solar system consists of the sun, around which revolves 8 planets and their satellites or moons. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Our solar system consists of the suns around which revolves 8 planets, their satellites or moons, according to their place. First one, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And this, the fixed path where the planets revolve, that path is called the orbits. Okay, next on the page. Here are some features of each planets in our solar system, planets and their characteristics. Mercury, it is the smallest of the 8 planets. Being closest to the Sun, it is boiling hot during the day but is freeze cold at night. Mercury is the first planet. Look in this picture, kids. Mercury is the first planet to the Sun. It is near to the Sun, so it is very hot. Mercury is very hot and is the smallest planet. It is freezing cold at night. Second planet is Venus. Second from the Sun, it is brightest planet in our solar system and is visible to naked eye at dawn and dusk. For this reason, it is called the morning star or evening star. Look here, kids. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is on second place. Mercury is in the first place and Venus is the second place. It is the very brightest planet and it is called the day star. We see by naked eye. So Venus is called morning star and evening star. It is visible to the naked eye at dawn and dusk. Next, third is the Earth. Third planet is Earth. Third planet is in the solar system, the Earth. Only planet that supports life, has life sustaining components, air and water. Third planet is Earth. From the Sun, first is Mercury, second is Venus and third is Earth. It is the only one planet that supports to the life, has life sustaining components such as air, water, etc. Fourth planet, Mars. It stands fourth from the Sun. Mars stands fourth on fourth place. Mars stands from fourth place. First is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth place from the Sun, Mars. Mars stands fourth from the Sun, covered with a red dust. Mars appears red in the night sky. It is named after the Roman god of war and is described as the red planet. Mars Mars appears red in dark night sky. It is named after Roman god of war and is described as the red planet. Mars look like a red because it covered by red dust and it is named after the Roman god war. So it is named as a Mars red planet. Fifth planet is Jupiter. Fifth planet, largest planet in our solar system, is 11 times wider than the Earth. It has many moons. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is on fifth place from the Sun. It is on fifth place. And it is 11 times wider than the Earth. It is the biggest planet on the solar system. Now sixth planet is Saturn. It is the sixth planet in the solar system. It has a unique ring made up of ice rocks and the dust around it. Look here, kids. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. Mercury, Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth is Jupiter, and sixth place is Saturn. It is a unique planet because it is a ring like a ice blocks and the dust. Saturn is sixth planet in the solar system and a unique ring made up of ice blocks, rocks. It has many moons. It has dust around it. It is a ring. It has a ring made up of ice rocks. Now, next planet is Uranus. Seventh planet is Uranus. Is the seventh planet from the Sun and the third largest. It is not visible to naked eye. It was a first planet discovered by the use of a telescope. Uranus is the third largest planet in our solar system. It is on the seventh place from the Sun. In our solar system, it is on the seventh planet from the Sun. Okay, it is the third largest planet, and it is not able to see. It is not visible to see naked eye. It is the first planet discovered with the use of telescope. Last eighth planet is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet in our solar system. It has 14 moons known till date, of which Triton is the largest. Neptune appears bluish and is the most distant planet from the Sun. Last one planet is Neptune. It is very far from the Sun. Mercury is closer to the Sun and Neptune is the last planet, eighth planet. It is very far from the Sun, so it is the coldest planet. And it has 14 moons known till date. Triton is the largest. Which of the Triton is the 14 moons? In that 14 moons, Triton is the largest. Neptune appears bluish and is most distant planet from the Sun. Understood, no kids? Here are planets and their characteristics. Okay? In the next video, we learn about the Earth, momentum of the Earth, formation of day and night. Understood, no kids? Revolutions, etc. Until you read the lesson, write down all new words in your notebook. By head that one new words. Thank you for watching the video.